So today we'll see a bit about microwave engineering. So the main principle behind transmission line is, let's say if you have a transmission line, right? So in the transmission line you will have a load like this. So this load can be any device. Okay. So this is the load. This load can be antenna. This load can be transmitting antenna, receiving antenna, any physical device, router, anything. So this load, we will say this load will be anything. Okay. So basically, if this is a load, so what will happen if this load want to drive power from this line, then this impedance of this load, let's say we denote it by ZL, and this characteristic impedance of this line, let's say we denote it by Z0. So both of these impedances should be equal. If this load want to derive maximum power from this transmission line, these two have to be equal. So this is called characteristic impedance, right? Characteristic impedance, and this is called the load on the line, right? Load. So basically this is the concept. This characteristic impedance of the line should be equal to the load on the line, then only maximum power will get transferred. This is the concept of microwave engineering, but this concept you can also see in electrical engineering, where you see a theorem called maximum power transfer theorem. There you see the Thevenin equivalent of this load should be equal to this load resistance should be equal to the Thevenin resistance of this circuit. So this is the basic idea behind this. So here what you will see is if there is a slight mismatch between these two impedances. Now first thing is why we are calling them impedances. Impedances means if we talk about impedance, then we mean there will be some resistive element here, and then there will be some inductive element here, and then there will be some capacitive element here. So we are taking all these three things into account, then we are calling them impedance. So whatever resistive element is here, and if there is a capacitive element or if there is a inductive element here, we are taking this into account, then we are calling it as impedance. So these impedance should match. So in starting, the standard was to make both these devices having